हे गाइस, आज वर्ल्ड वेटरनरियन डे है जो कि हर एक वेटनरी कॉलेज में ये होता है। वर्ल्ड वेटरनरियन डे या फिर वेटनरी डॉक्टर डे, ये बहुत एक इम्पॉर्टेंट डे है एक वेटनरियन के लिए। तो ये प्रोग्राम हमारे कॉलेज में भी है। तो अभी जाएंगे हम लोग ऑडिटोरियम और प्रोग्राम देखेंगे, जहाँ पे वीसी सर होंगे, डीन सर होंगे, प्रोफेसर सर होंगे और बहुत सारे सीनियर और बैचमेंट होंगे। ये वर्ल्ड वेटरनरियन डे हम लोग ईच ईयर अप्रैल के लास्ट वीक के सैटरडे में मनाते हैं हम लोग। बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट डे है, चलते हैं।
With a theme that veterinarians are essential human health workers. जलाते चलो यह दिए स्नेह भर भर, जलाते चलो यह दिए स्नेह भर भर, कभी तो भरा का अंधेरा मिटेगा, चला के पहनावा नीले हुई थी, चुनौती पहलवार स्वीकार की थी और इसी उम्मीद और इसी आस और इसी कोशिश के साथ अपने इष्ट देवता ईश्वर को हम सभी नमन करें, क्योंकि सभी इष्ट देवता सभी धर्म एक हैं और वह धर्म कहता है सत्कर्म सन्मार्ग की ओर, और ईश्वर करे यह रोशनी हम सभी को सत्कर्म की ओर ले जाए, सन्मार्ग की ओर ले जाए, जोरदार तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए इस अविस्मरणीय इसी के साथ हम ईश्वर से यह भी प्रार्थना करते हैं कि यहाँ बैठे सभी छात्र छात्राएं सन्मान की तरफ अग्रसित हो, यहाँ बैठे सभी छात्र छात्राएं के जीवन में रोशनी बनकर ईश्वर का आशीर्वाद आए। ईश्वर करे कि यह कार्यक्रम सफल हो और साथ में सफलता की ऊंचाइयों को रांची पशु चिकित्सा महाविद्यालय एवं बिरसा कृषि विश्वविद्यालय भी नित नई ऊंचाइयों को छुए। इसी आह्वान, इसी उम्मीद और इसी प्रार्थना के साथ ईश्वर को हम सभी नमन करते हैं और आप सभी से उम्मीद करते हैं कि खासकर जो बच्चे, जो युवा वर्ग हैं, जो आज अपने आदर को वर्ल्ड वेटनरी डे के लिए रखने यहाँ आए हैं, तालियां बजाते हैं तथा इस दिन को स्मरणीय बनाते हैं।
Simulate a pattern so as to devise control measures and prevention measures. Veterinarians are also concerned with surveying of the disease, that is estimation of the seropositive cases among the human as well as the animal population. Not only that, they are also concerned with the surveillance, that is constant monitoring of the increase in number of diseases among the animal population. And finally, they are also concerned with the development of effective measures for putting an end to the outbreak. Now I'll talk about food security or food safety. Veterinarians are very much concerned with the food illnesses are those infections which can easily transmitted by the consumption of meat and milk products and animal products alike to the human population. Diseases such as tuberculosis, anthrax, brucellosis, scarlet fever, trichinosis, etc. can easily transmitted by the consumption of raw or input or even cooked form of meat and milk products.
वेट करके ना नाम लिख करके और तो स्टेज के पीछे देख करके छूट जाएगा इसी तुरंत सर्टिफिकेट।
Today's topic of eating is the vegetarian and essential health factors. They play a very vital role in leading the society by helping the animals in their treatment. And vegetarians are essential entry and exit points and provide services. Means they provide services for the diseases in all animals, whatever they are. And veterinarians, they also ensure that animal meat, and they provide a treatment in which they all are they ensure that the animal meat and byproducts are safe for the human consumption. Means they ensure that they are healthy for the human. In this way, like the
not only limited as a traditional heritage, they play a vital role in everything. They ensure the well-being of animal health, public health, and also environmental health. If we talk about public health, we know that, as you are all aware, that there has been a spread of various zoonotic diseases in the recent year, which has caught a media attention a lot, and also the various leaders. So we know the spread of zoonotic disease, and these can be controlled by a veterinary only. And if we talk about the food safety and regulation, that is also taken by veterinarians. And if we talk about advancing research and innovations, we know that there are various vaccines that have been made by veterinarians. And also there has been a modern diagnostic and treatment which has of the animals, which human can do. But for veterinarians, we as veterinarians do for the animals, the diagnostic. We don't just
Then there are other problems that we need to take care and we have to raise our voice for. Adequate compensation, allowance and remuneration is a problem plaguing this community and fraternity. We have to put stress in the government so that adequate help and adequate funds are allocated for better training, research and treatment of animals. What next? We have to involve in leadership roles so that policy making includes us, veterinarians, as central roles so that we can make better decisions for ourselves, so that we are there to put our own points and concerns. Nobody is going to put and nobody is going to take our voices to the highest streams of government sectors. There are other stakeholders that we need to also take care of in making our points met. Also, I would like to conclude this by saying that इस उदासीनता को आइए छोड़ते हैं और पशु चिकित्सक होने पर अभिमान लेते हैं. Thank you for all the time.